Welcome to the Purdue Library's tutorial on the ProQuest Research Library database. This tutorial will cover how to do a search, how to narrow down search results, and other helpful tools for your research. Go to the Purdue Library's website at www.lib.purdue.edu. Next, click on the database link underneath the search box. This link will go to a full list of databases available through the Purdue Libraries. To find ProQuest Research Library, go to the P section, scroll down to the title, and click on the link. First, let's take a look at the main page. There are a couple of options for searching, basic and advanced. Both will allow you to narrow your search to full text and peer-reviewed articles. However, the advanced search will give you more options to narrow down your search. For instance, a search can be narrowed by language or document type. You can also use these options to narrow a search later. Now let's get a feel for how searches in ProQuest Research Library work. In the basic search page, let's do a search for the Dust Bowl. We will also narrow the search for full text and peer-reviewed articles. This search brought up 3,106 results. To bring this down to a more manageable number, if you look to the left side of the screen, you will see other ways to narrow down the results. Let's narrow it down by publication date and document type. This brings the results to 770. This can be narrowed down further by selecting more options. Once you have narrowed down the results, review the articles to see which will help with your research. By clicking on Preview, you can read the abstract and see subject terms for the article. If the article fits what you are looking for, click on the link for the full text PDF. Along with the full text PDF tab, you might notice a couple of other tabs. If you look on the Reference tab, there will be a list of articles that are referenced in the current article. If a full text version is available online, or if the journal is available at the Purdue Libraries, you will find a link that will connect you with those resources. You can also find additional resources by clicking the Cited By or Documents with Shared References links. One last tip. If you notice to the right side of the screen, there is a button called Cite. This will bring up a window with a drop-down menu listing various citation styles. You can select the style that you need, then cut and paste the citation to your bibliography. However, do double-check the citations. Sometimes there may be a slight error. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. If you are looking for other databases similar to ProQuest Research Library, here are a couple to try: Academic Search Premier and JSTOR.